Okay students, we will do now this sum. This is find the value of the polynomial. So I should just find the value. So this is the expression, this is the value that I should put here. I will get one value that I should write. Okay. So first phi of what is my value of x? 0. See here, whenever I am opening bracket, bracket means what? Multiplication. Some people write phi into 0. Some people write phi dot 0. Some people write phi of 0. This is of 0. Of means what? Multiplication. Okay. Phi of 0 minus 4 of 0 square plus 3. Okay. So what did I do here? Wherever x is there, I am putting 0. That's it. Okay. 5 into 0, 0 minus 4 into 0 square, 4 into 0, 0 plus 3 is remaining. Yes or no? 0 into 5, 0, 4 into 0, 0 plus 3 is remaining, plus 3. So 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 plus 3, 3 is the answer. So in this equation, when I put the value of x is equal to 0, what I will get? I will get my answer as 3. That is the answer. Next, same equation, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now this time x is minus 1. So phi of x is how much? Minus 1 plus minus 4 of minus 1 the whole square plus 3. Okay, this is very interesting sum now. See here, 5 into minus 1, the answer is minus 5. Okay, so minus 4 is there, minus 4. Now here I will do it, see. Minus 1 the whole square it is there, correct? Minus 1 the whole square means what? Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 means plus 1. Minus minus should get cancelled. Minus into minus plus 1. So minus 1 the whole square means, always remember this, minus 1 means minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 the whole power 4 plus 1. Whenever minus is in even numbers, minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole power 4, minus 1 whole power 6, the answer will be plus. Whenever it will be negative, minus 1, minus 1 the whole cube, minus 1 whole power 5, the answer will be negative. Okay, this I will do separate class. Okay, so minus 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 4 now minus 1 the whole square plus 1. Next, plus 3, minus 5, minus 4 plus 3, minus 5 minus 4, I will get minus 9 plus 3, minus 9 plus 3, minus 6. Okay, next, x is equal to 2. So 5 of 2 minus 4 of 2 square plus 3. Okay, 5 2s are 10 minus 4 2 square 4 plus 3, 10 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 10 minus 16 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 is the answer. So what did I do? I have an expression, I am putting the values, then I am getting the answers. These are the answers.